Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shanae, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I installed this wig, so stay tuned. So guys, this is jumping straight into this video. I'm just showing you guys how the wig looked coming straight out the package. Today we are working with ILIKEHAIR Company. So I'm just showing you guys inside the wig. It came with 2 combs at the side, 1 in the middle and 1 at the back. So we have the adjustable bands that the wig comes with, and there's also another adjustable band inside the wig. So with this adjustable band, you can make it looser or tighter. You can also remove it if you would like, so that is great. And this is how the wig looks. It's a dark brown with blonde highlights. It is layered as well. So let's get into this install. I'm going in with my concealer and my makeup brush, and I'm just applying that to the inside of the frontal portion of the wig, just so that it blends better with my skin tone. I also went ahead and used my scissors to cut the lace at the back of the wig because we do not need it. Now I'm just going to use the comb that's at the back and stick it in between the middle braids at the back of my head. By the way guys, I did just do 6 straight backs. You just want to make sure your braids are nice and flat before putting on the wig. So once I've got the wig pulled up, this is how it is looking. So if you guys haven't noticed, I didn't do anything to this wig. The hairline was already plucked for us, as you can see. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and push all the hair back out my way. That way I can cut my ear tabs. So you wanna make sure that there is no lace covering your ears. And it fits just like this. So you wanna go ahead, do it to the opposite side as well. So now that the wig is fitting my head the way I would like it, I'm just going to pull it back a bit. And now I'm going in with my black Ebin adhesive spray, and I'm just going to spray that on my hairline and just use my finger to tap it in. Once I've sprayed the entire hairline, I'm just going to pull the wig back forward and rest it on the section that sprayed it. And I'll be using the comb to press the lace down. So this is just allowing it to grab onto the product that I just sprayed, so that way it stays in place. And once I've done that, I'll be going in with my blow dryer and drying the hairline. Once my hair is dry, I'm just going in with my scissors to make a slit. And then I will be using my razor to just cut off the excess lace. So because this section started lifting, I just went in and sprayed it again and then used my blow dryer to dry it. So anywhere that you see needs more spray, you can always go back and spray it. So I did go back in as well with the brush that I used my concealer on and just dabbed it a bit. I did not add any extra product on the brush. And once that was done, I went in with the melt band that was provided in the package for me, and I just tied down the hairline while I styled the wig. So this is how the hair is looking. Super cute. I went in and just started drying my hairline again for a bit, and then I decided I was going to straighten the hair, so I went in with my Bio Silk and I just rubbed that all over the hair. So as you can see, the hair does look like it's styled already because of the layers, but I just want to go in and just touch it up a bit. So I went in sections and I just straightened the hair, but while I was straightening the hair, I did kind of curve it. As you can see, it already has that natural curve already. So I just kind of curved it under like how it was and did that for the entire head. So you're gonna see how it looks when I'm done. Alright, so this is how it is looking once I've passed the flat iron through it. And I'm just going to remove the melt band. So I'm combing through the hairline because sometimes it does get stiff. But as you can see, there's so much body in this wig, especially at the front. I decided to not even use my hot comb or wax stick, anything like that. I just went in and just created a little swoop for my edges. I did not even cut it. I honestly just combed a little bit of hair out, sprayed it with that Ebin spray so it could stay down, and just created a little swoop. Once I created the swoop, guys, that was it. Like, there was no work to be done. So I went in with my Shine Spray from Paul Mitchell and I just sprayed that all over my hair for that finishing touch because I love a nice gloss when my hair is done. And this is how it is looking. Super cute, super cute. It's giving very sophisticated. I just want to shout out I Like Hair Company once again for sending over this unit. If you guys are interested in this hair, I will have a link down below in my description box. You can also check out their website. They have a lot more wigs and stuff like that. I have worked with them previously, so yeah, you guys can definitely check them out. Thank you for watching this video. If you've made it this far and you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, comment down below. Let me know how you guys feel about these wigs because this is great, especially if you love layers and you don't know how to cut them yourself. Oh my goodness. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.